Today we talk about how can you enable major updates on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on notifications and messages. Then you come to this list here, so then you click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here. Then you click here on market updates, click on it. Then come to this list here, so then you come here to measure updates. Just click in this sign, then like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.